Hair's really misbehaving today. Can see it needs doing. That's tomorrow's project. Hello, I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and Adore Beauty have invited me here to share with you an easy everyday makeup look that I wear on the regular. Let's get into it. So my skin is already prepped. Really important first step is to make sure you've hydrated your skin so it's not thirsty. I'm reaching for the Coco & Eve Daily Water Gel Hydrating SPF 50 Primer, and it's packed with aloe vera, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Leaves your skin hydrated and protected from the sun. Now, to just even out my complexion while still delivering that gorgeous glow, I'm using the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. This is a makeup artist's cult favorite because it is lightweight, it is luminous, it gives a beautiful finish to the skin, but allows your skin to still look like, guess what? Skin. I have a lot of pigmentation, and that's okay. I'm all about embracing what we have. So I like to keep my coverage quite light for my easy everyday makeup. I'm going to use the Eye of Horus Triple C Concealer. Just using the concealer to bring a bit of light reflecting quality to the center part of my face. You can use your fingers for this step too. I'm in the mood for a brush today. Now that I've balanced out my complexion, I'm going to bring a bit of life and color back into it. So I'm using the Clinique Chubby Stick in the shade Robust Rhubarb. This is more of a balm texture, so it's sheerer, which is really lovely for just a nice everyday option. I do just absolutely adore a peachy shade like this. Just really, look at that. I look fresh. Fresh is such a great word for us I'm over 50, all you over 40s, 50s, 60s and beyond. Fresh is the goal. Don't be scared of blush, ladies. Bring it back into your life. And the Clinique Chubby Stick, this balm texture, is really lovely if you're a little bit nervous about a cream blush. It's really hard to get it wrong. These are both Eye of Horus highlighters. And I'm in the mood for Sunset Rose today. It's got this lovely sort of pinkish undertone to it. And I'm just going to pop that for a little extra va-va-voom today, just to highlight the tops of your cheekbones. I'm going to take the Nude by Nature bronzer and a fluffy brush and just use this to put a little tiny bit of shape and color in my eyes. This is a really quick, easy, cheats way of eyeshadow. Make your peepers pop with minimal effort. Take that same Nude by Nature bronzer and a fluffy brush, warm your complexion up a bit. Optional step. I do love a little bit of shape to the brow. Quick and easy Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm using the shade 2. Just add a bit of bulk, definition. Wow. It's good, isn't it? I'm a big fan and have been ever since this baby was launched. Because see the size of this little teeny weeny spoolie? Just makes getting into those brow hairs a lot easier and more precise. You're not going to make so much of a mess. Next step in my classic everyday makeup is mascara. Don't like to leave home without mascara. And this Bad Gal mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, the wand. It's narrow, it's tapered, it's really easy to get right into the root of your lash. Definition to your eyes, length to your lashes. Such a great mascara. Oops, that's my chair, not my bottom. And lower lashes is a mood thing for me. Sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. Final step is to add a juicy lip balm. I'm going to use the Ultraviolet Sheen Screen SPF 50 lip balm. So what do you think, girls? Everyday makeup that I wear on the regular. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and let me know what you think. I love to hear from you in the comments below. What else would you like to see from me here on Adore Beauty? I'll see you all next time.